A single linear stage does one thing. It moves in a line. Bolt a second one on top, and the line becomes a plane. This is the PLS 110A, an XY combination axis. The stage on top is one you have seen before, 50 millimeters of travel and a body 24 millimeters thick. Underneath it sits a longer one. Same width, same height, and 120 millimeters of stroke. They bolt face to face. No adapter, no bridge plate. Total height, 48 millimeters. Watch the top axis on its own. Its carriage runs across its own body. Now the bottom axis. And the entire upper stage travels with it. The y-axis does not sit beside the x-axis. It rides on it, so every position is the sum of both. Stack two of these, and you do not get two of the same axis. The lower one is longer, and it is built differently. A longer motor, longer rails, and 60 newtons of peak force against 42. It has to be. It carries the other one. Each axis drives the same way. Neodymium magnets and a coil bolted down to the base. In the motor, the moving part carries magnets, not coils. So at the drive, there is no cable that has to flex. Two strokes, one plane of travel, 120 millimeters by 50. Drive them together, and the tool point stops drawing lines. A raster, an arc, a circle. All of it out of two axes that only know how to move straight. Both axes carry a 0.2 micrometer encoder and repeat their position to within half a micron. And TPC builds the series for exactly this, to stay accurate and rigid in XY, not only on its own. The PLS series from TPC Robotics, two axes, one plane, 48 millimeters.